Hello and welcome. I'm happy that you are here. This means you love photography, creativity, and lighting, just like I do. In this video, I will explain how I created this beautiful themed photo session that I call Rosy Glow. I'll explain all the steps from creating this backdrop, use of light. Then at the end, I will tell you how to make that profitable or bookable. Why did I create Rosy Glow? I wanted to create a circle of flowers to give that halo, that heavenly look. I used pink, peachy and tan colors of flowers. So what I used is a hula hoop and I painted it into rustic and golden colors. I also brought swimming pool noodle. I cut it in the middle, then painted it the same colors, so rustic, golden, same colors. Then I put the hula hoop inside this noodle. It fit about 3/4 of the way in, which was perfect. I did this before inserting the flowers, but I just don't have a footage of that, so then I started to insert these beautiful flowers and I didn't follow any rule in that. I just placed them in a way until they felt right. For the wall, you can use white wall or you can use this rustic or vintage backdrop. I used this featured wall that I painted and added this effect of a rustic vintage wall. That circle of flowers became heavier that I had to put it on a stand. So I used this stand. That stand is light pink, which is perfect with the setup. To make it stable, I hang ropes to both sides to just give that hanging effect. The final results turned out amazing. It was more than I expected and I loved it so much. For the lighting, my preference is continuous light, but if you have a window, you can use natural light or you can use a speed light, up to you. For this session, I used newer video light, adjusted the light to warm tones, and of course used a huge softbox. For the ambient light, I used another continuous light. To create a highlight, and especially for the hair, I used a speed light that is behind the model, pointed into 45 degrees. I needed someone who could embody this warmth and beauty I imagined for this photo shoot. So I announced model call and received so much interest. I usually prepare a few poses before the photo shoot to get inspiration, and also that helps if the pose is too complicated, then I can just show them the photo and that would give them an idea of what I have in mind. But my favorite moments are the natural candid shots. In this photo shoot, there was beautiful connection and beautiful moments between the mother and the child. I allowed that and took these photos. It turned out beautiful. You could feel these emotions from the photos. This wasn't just a photo shoot. It's a way of expressing my creativity and my emotions. How to make this photo shoot bookable or profitable. So I had this idea a while ago, but having Mother's Day coming in a couple of months pushed me to create this idea and just make it reality. And instead of keeping it a personal project, why not making it a mini Mother's Day photo shoot? So you can keep your creativity and keep the business going. Here is a tip. If you have a creative idea, try to link it to an upcoming event. Could be Easter, could be Christmas. Here is a great marketing tip. When you are doing a call for a model, you can add terms or add engagement terms. So you can ask people to like your page or comment or tag different people. That will boost your social media pages. Another great marketing tip. When photographers announce a mini session like a Christmas or Easter, they have the setup or the background, but they don't have models, they don't have people, and it's hard for people to imagine themselves in a photo that there are no families or no people like them in the photo. So when you have a model in your photo and you announce that session, people will relate to that session. They would imagine themselves and see themselves in that photo shoot, and that would probably help for more booking. And if you love this concept, subscribe for more creative projects. See you next time, but until then, keep creating.